Have you ever wondered what the names of the letters are in Italian? Like many other children worldwide, Italian children learn the alphabet through simple words like pets, food, and so on. However, adults don't spell like this. When we need to spell out a word, for example over the phone or in a noisy environment, in Italy we use the so-called Alfabeto Telefonico, telephone alphabet. The idea behind the spelling system is similar to the so-called NATO alphabet, you know, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and so on. However, unlike the NATO alphabet used in military communications, the Italian telephone alphabet mainly relies on the names of Italian cities. Also, keep in mind that this system is unofficial, thus some letters have multiple solutions. However, Italians will usually understand you no matter the variant you pick. That said, the Italian alphabet has 21 letters, 5 vowels, 15 consonants and 1 silent letter. To this, we need to add 5 foreign letters for a total of 26. Let's see how to spell them with the Alfabeto Telefonico. A for Ancona. Ancona is a city on the Adriatic coast, the eastern side of Italy. It's known for its beaches, the San Ciriaco Cathedral, the Arco di Traiano, and the Mole Vanvitelliana, a historical building on its own island. B for Bari. Bari is a port city in southern Italy, on the Adriatic Sea. It's known for the old town, Bari Vecchia, the Basilica di San Nicola, and the seaside promenade. However, we also use B for Bologna. Bologna is a city in northern Italy. It's known for its food scene, universities, the Asinelli Tower and its companion, the Garisenda Tower. C for Como. Como is a city in northern Italy, nestled right at the southern tip of the Como Lake. It's known for, well, the lake, the Gothic cathedral, the funicular railway and silk production. However, we also use C for Cagliari. Cagliari is the main city of Sardinia, the large island of the coast of southern Italy, under Corsica. It's known for its beaches, the old city and the archaeological museum. D for Domodossola. Domodossola is a town nestled in northern Italy, surrounded by the beauty of the Alps. It's known for, well, being used to spell the D in Italian? Jokes aside, it's a gem of the Alps. E for Empoli. Empoli is a town in Tuscany, located southwest of Florence. It's known for the historic center and the soccer team, I guess? Honestly, I don't know, but every time I try to look for things related to Empoli, the soccer team always pops up somehow. F for Firenze. Firenze, also known as Florence in English, is the main city of Tuscany. It's known for being Florence. Come on, I don't think I need to explain Florence. G for Genova. Genova, also known as Genoa in English, is a port city in northwestern Italy and the main city of Liguria. It's known for the port, the old town, the focaccia, no, don't call it pizza, the pesto, and food in general. H for Hotel. Yes, just like in English, but the H is silent. I for Imola. Imola is a city in northern Italy, located roughly between Bologna and the Adriatic coast. It's known for motorsport and the Rocca Sforzesca. J or I lunga, which literally translates as long I, for, well, here we have 3 variants. First, J for Jolly. Jolly is the Italian word for joker, the wildcard of the French suited card decks as an addition to the standard 4 suits, clubs, diamonds, hearts and spades. Second, J for Jersey, as in the knit fabric used predominantly for clothing manufacture. Last, J for Jesolo. Jesolo is a town in northern Italy located near Venice. It's known for being one of Italy's most popular beach resorts. K has a very distinctive name, thus you can just say K. However, there's another old variant that only few Italians still use, K for Cursal. The Kursaal, also known as Kurhaus, German for spa house, is a resort that offers entertainment and leisure activities. Think of it like a one-stop shop for fun on your vacation. It includes ballrooms, restaurants, gaming halls, theaters, reading rooms, and sometimes even facilities like swimming pools or saunas. L for Livorno. Livorno is a port city on the western coast of Italy, in Tuscany. It's known for its harbor hub and Renaissance-era fortifications and canals. M for Milano. Fashion, money, art and culture. Just like Venice, Milan needs no introduction. N for Napoli. Exactly, in Italy we don't say Naples, we say Napoli. Enjoy your pizza. O for Otranto. Otranto is a coastal town in southern Italy's Apulia region. It's known for the sea, the Aragonese castle and the Otranto Cathedral. P for Palermo. Palermo is the main city of Sicily. It's known for cannoli, mosaics and generally for its art. But also P for Padova. Padova, also known as Padua in English, is a historic city in northern Italy. It's known for the university, the Scrovegni Chapel and the Basilica di Sant'Antonio. Q for Quarto. Quarto dei Mille is a residential district in Genoa, overlooking the sea. Originally called Quarto al Mare, it's been renamed after the 1860 expedition of the Thousand, Garibaldi's volunteer force who embarked for Sicily there. However, you can also say Q for Quebec, as in the province in eastern Canada. R for Roma. Rome is the capital city of Italy, and I do not need to say more. S is another case where we have three variants. S for Savona. Savona is a port city on the western coast of Italy. It's known for its harbor hub and ceramics. S for Salerno. Salerno is a coastal city in southern Italy. It's known for the Gulf, the Duomo, and the Arechi Castle. S for Sassari. Sassari is the second largest city on the island of Sardinia. It's known for its beaches, the Piazza d'Italia and the Primaziale di San Nicola. T for Torino. Torino, also known as Turin in English, is a major city in northern Italy. It's known for Fiat, Mole Antonelliana, Palazzo Reale, the Egyptian Museum, hazelnut chocolate, Gianduia, and many other things. And I'm totally not saying this just because it's my city. However, there's an alternative, T for Taranto. Taranto is a port city in southern Italy, located on the hill of the Butte. It's known for the harbor, the San Cataldo Cathedral and the Aragonese Castle. U for Udine. Udine is a city in northeastern Italy, nestled between the Adriatic Sea and the Carnic Alps. It's known for its Venetian architecture, Piazza della Libertà and Udine Castle. V or V for Venezia. It's Venice. Do I really need to explain this? I think not. V doppia, literally double V, because graphically it resembles two V, or in this case V, holding hands. In this case, you can simply say the name of the letter due to the same reasons I explained for K. Or you can say W for Washington, the capital city and federal district of the United States of America. X for xylofono. Xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument that makes sound by hitting wooden bars with little mallets. Alongside xylophone, there's another variant. I will explain it as well, but I need you to keep in mind that it's a very old variation and that I'm mentioning it just for completeness sake. Take it as a knowledge pill more than something to use. That said, the variant is X for Xeres. Xeres is an Italian misspelling of the Spanish word for sherry, Jerez, a fortified wine made from white grapes that are grown near the city of Jerez de la Frontera in Andalusia, Spain. Y for, well, simply Y due to the clarity of the name. At last, Z for Zara. Zara is the way Italians call Zadar, the beautiful coastal city in Croatia. However, you can simply say just Zeta, following the same reasonement we did for other letters like K. And there you have it, how to spell words in Italian. However, you might be left with one more question. Can I have a practical example? Sure, let's use my name, Silvia. This is how I would spell it. Savona, Imola, Livorno, Venezia, Imola, Ancona. Exactly, we skip the S for part and we say straight away the word that is meant to represent the letter. But now I want to hear from you. Pick a word and spell it in the comments using the Alfabeto Telefonico. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Grazie for watching and
Arrivederci.